I gotta be honest, Ricky looks ridiculous.
Why?
It just when you look at Patrick, the way his fits, and then you look at this thing, it's just, I don't know. Well, look at Patrick. He looks fantastic.
He looks like he wants to go surfing. It looks like a wetsuit, like a bodysuit.
Yeah.
Granted, it's getting a little snug.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get another one. Good job, guys. So how did it go?
Doing really good. We're very proud of him. Boots? No problem.
Jacket?
No problem.
Excellent job, Patrick. Excellent job.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Alright, let's get all your stuff off.
This jacket is soaking wet.
How's Patrick?
Patrick is dry. Come here, Ricky. Come show the camera how wet you are. Look at that. You see how wet she is under here?
Yeah.
Look at that.
She's wet and muddy. And
Wet
Patrick?
muddy. Patrick is totally dry.
Oh, good boy. So, what was our lesson?
Our lesson is Ruffwear is a lot better than the generic jackets.
Yes.
All right, let's get out of here.
Okay. Say bye, guys.